Hey guys, what is good, what is good? Before we get into this, make sure you click like and make sure you're subscribed. Drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from as well. But as you see, I just got a EK47 behind me and I'm just going through the last final bits before the track day, because as you guys do know, we are taking it to the track. We are attending Santa Pod, and it's weird for me to say it, but the car is actually ready. So I'm just going through the last few little bits, and it did kill another Bosch sensor the other day, so I don't know if that's got anything to do with the position of the bung in the actual up pipe, or maybe the way the up pipe's angled. I don't know, but it keeps killing sensors. They work like intermittently, so it will be like, it will just come up sense, then you rev the car, it will get a reading, then it will just go dead again. So yeah, I don't know, maybe it's something to do with the bung, so I might change that. But yeah, for the most part, I did order two bungs. Sorry, I did order two genuine Bosch sensors. So I'm going to replace one now, see if it does work, and I'm going to carry one to the track with me as well, just to be safe. So yeah, I think we're pretty much there. I'm just going to do a nut and bolt check close to the time, and yeah, we're pretty much there, guys, man. As you see, I'm hot. It is a hot day, guys, but yeah, hopefully the weather holds out for the track, and yeah, everything will be ready. So stay tuned. I'm gonna leave this here, and yeah, we'll be resuming. I'm gonna keep it in one video, so we'll resume when we're loading up the car. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, so yeah, back now. This is the next clip. As I said, I'm just gonna, day by day, as parts come and little updates, I'll just include it in one video, and I'll make it like one big video. So as you saw yesterday, I was just going through the last little bits, just explaining to you what I've done and whatnot. Been cracking up some work on Phantom as well. I think my cousin's going to come down tomorrow, and then we can just start banging some more out. And yeah, man, it's getting there slowly. I did get a package in as well. So as you see here, got a nice little envelope. So what I'll do is I'll turn the camera around, and then I'll show you guys what we got. So yeah guys, here we have it. So my most favourite people I order from. So yeah, thanks to Johnny from Tagua for sorting me out one more time. Always thank him, man. Always got the Haribos on deck. But yeah guys, yeah, for the grand finale, here we have it. As you see here, it's the 5th gear lockout from K-Tuned. So obviously it comes with the hardware, it's just 3 bolts, and then you got the actual lockout itself. So yeah, that's what we're going to be installing on EK47, because I'm a man, I've never missed a gear in this car, but you never know what could happen. And for drag, you only really need 4 gears, hopefully. So like I said in previous clips, if we don't have enough limiter, then we could just turn up the limiter some in 4th. So we go through the traps at the top of 4th, obviously. I don't really want to be banging 5th. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I mean, I got the 13x10 slicks as well, so you know, we should pick up some good miles per hour up top. So yeah man, we'll see. So just stay tuned and drop a thumbs up. So yeah guys, just back in the lab, just finalising the last bits on the EK47. As you can see, just got the windows slightly tinted. Not the best job, as we did run out of tint. We had to mix match the tints, but I mean, it's better than nothing. But right now, for the most part, I'm just going to be getting that sunroof off. And as you see, I've got a blank here. But first, we've got some matte black wrap that we're going to be wrapping it in before we put it on. And yeah, that'll be literally the last few bits to do. And obviously, just go over the car, give it a nut and bolt check. Then take it outside, give it a wash, just finalise up literally the last little bits, and then we can hit the track, man. So yeah, it is looking promising, and I have got a little surprise for you guys as well, which I'll include in a few clips. Nice little bit of equipment I got off my good friend for quite cheap. So yeah, you guys will be seeing that as well. So stay tuned, and hope you're enjoying this video so far. This is gonna get lit, guys, trust me. So yeah guys, this is where we are so far. I mean, it's not the best job. This is actually my first time doing this. So yeah, not the best, but does need a little clean off, but it doesn't look as bad in person. It's just the camera's picking up a lot of imperfections, but yeah, it's all good. It's all good. I'm just getting some rivets down there now, and yeah, gonna get this thing done, man. Just getting there. I got it all square, it's all measured up. So yeah guys, what is happening? It's a week until race day. So we're just literally finalising the last bits on EK47. I've ordered the fuel jug, a few other little bits, but as you see, I've got some packages on the floor there, so I'm going to be opening them. I'm just waiting for a couple more, but my main few things should be in there, and I've obviously got some bits as well. What else did I get? I got a few lambda sensors, because as you know, this car keeps killing lambda sensors, like I said, so I don't know what that's about, but I've got another new one there, and I just put another new one in, and I've also just bought another 2 spare just in case. So if we do get any problems at the track or whatever, we can just switch them over or whatever. But yeah, for the most part, what I'm going to be doing right now is just opening these little few packages. Nothing special, but I think the big box might be something that we've all been waiting for, guys, so stay tuned. So yeah guys, as you know, it's literally like 34 degrees or something like that today. It's stupid hot, so yeah, I'm just taking it real easy, and yeah. But yeah, as you see, first package just got some BKR 8s, just some spare plugs. If any plugs do fail up or anything, very much doubt it. It's got a good tune on it, but you never know. So I'm going to take these to the track with me as well. This one in my belt, just in case, you know, you never know, guys. So I just want to carry every spare. This is one with no AC, it's a Gates one. Let me see, yeah. So this is a non-AC belt, which I run on this. Part number is 7PK 1283. So if you guys need a non-power steering belt, just that's the part number for that. And, yeah, hopefully guys, this big one here is what we've all been waiting for. So I'll open it with you guys now, and yeah, like I said, if it is, going off a close friend of mine. Yeah, so I got it off a close friend of mine for a good deal. So cool. So here we have it, guys, in this little case here. So we'll open it together, and check it out. You guys can pick it up, but as you see, GoPro 1, GoPro 2. So yeah, and like you see, guys, I'll show you guys properly. Comes with all the accessories. I've got mics, everything, guys, everything. So yeah, we're going to be doing some lit vlogs now. I think literally next month I'm going to get the Canon G7X, but I mean, for now these will work just to mount in the car and whatnot. I can hold them around and whatever. But yeah, I'm gassed. Original boxes. Like a little suction cup as well. So yeah, as you guys, what I did just say, I got it off a good friend of mine, Brewster Developments. Big respect to Jamie every time. He's the one with Red Rum. He went to Santa Pod Raceway. So yeah, man, big respect, bro, for you putting this on the car as well. So, but yeah, I'm gonna leave this here, guys. In the week, I'm literally just gonna finish up the last bits on the car, and yeah, you'll be seeing it get loaded up next week. And yeah, give it a clean, give it a polish and whatnot, make sure everything's tip top before we get the track. So